Southeast governors, President of Ndigbo, and her leadership. Our leadership of National Assembly from Southeast. Our traditional rulers from Southeast, religious leaders from Southeast, and eminent stakeholders rose from a virtual emergency meeting held today, 22nd of October 2020 by 3 p.m. And this is our communique. We as leaders of Southeast do condemn in strong terms the audio video in circulation in social media said to have emanated from Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, though he has since denied it. We condemn the attempts by some ethnic groups to brand ENDSars the affairs of the Igbos and another ethnic group against our brothers and sisters of the West. We make bold to say that Mr. Kanu, without prejudice to the fact that he has denied the audio video, does not speak for our people, hence the collective voice of our people on this critical present situation. There was nothing wrong with the initial peaceful protest of ENDSars, which the federal government, working with state governments, have met all the demands of peaceful ENDSars protesters. And we feel that anyone that is not yet met, that they should further engage the state governors who have been working very hard and they're willing to engage the protesters. We want to appeal to all our people all over Nigeria and beyond to please disembark from ENDSars protest, because what we are witnessing now is no longer a protest. It is an orchestrated violence, and in most states, people are imported from other states to start the destruction of lives and the property of both private and government infrastructure. As a nation, we cannot continue to destroy what we have labored to build, and considering the dwindling revenue of our nation, it is not advisable to allow this critical infrastructure, whether it's private or government owned, they all contribute to our national economic security. So I appeal to our brothers from the north, our leaders from the north, our leaders from the west, our leaders from south, all our leaders all over the nation, to please do everything to continue to maintain peace among all the ethnic groups within your domain. We as the leaders of Southeast, we are doing everything possible to ensure that the lives and property of everyone living in Southeast, whether the person is from Southeast or is doing business in Southeast, whether he is born in Southeast or he came to live in Southeast, that their lives and property are protected. We guarantee this, we assure this, we are working around the clock. This is a very critical moment in the history of our nation, and we thank all the governors, we thank Mr. President, we thank the Vice President, the National Assembly members. We thank the leaders who have spoken for the oneness of this country. We do not believe that destruction of our property, or killing of people, provoking security agencies will be the solution. Their voices have been heard, and I believe that we as leaders of this nation, we have a lot to learn from the peaceful demands of the peaceful ENDSars protesters. Furthermore, the Southeast governors and her leaders were very deeply pained by the deaths of our young children at the Lekki toll gate. We believe that the shooting was very much unwarranted and very much regrettable. Our hearts flow to all the families that lost their loved ones, and we join the Lagos State Governor and the federal government to say let the investigation over the shooting be quickened so that whoever that did that will be brought to book. We appeal and apologize to our young ones to see this as the act of the devil and forgive so that we can move forward. The infrastructure being destroyed are for you. The future belongs to you. You need infrastructure. You need the lives. Don't put your lives forward to be destroyed. Some of you are future presidents, future ministers, future governors. No one of us has come to live on earth forever. It is a relay race, and we please appeal that you've been hurt. Forgive and let us go back to the drawing board. I also appeal that state governors should, as much as possible, bring the youth closer. Let's have a youth leadership so that in our budgeting, in the affairs of the state, let the youth also have their say. Let the youth understand the dynamics of governance. Let the youth understand the difficulties in governance. Let the youth know how much is available for the development of their respective states and then the maintenance of law and order. Thank you and God bless you.